What are we doing?
Trying to beat me in a race.
Oh my God. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Swallow Bastards. Cooper, what are we doing?
Tune and intake.
We have an Accessport and big SF intake from Cobb.
You ready?
Man shit.
Man shit. And we're gonna do an unboxing to see what we got. And wow, Brad, are you kidding me? Just stab in the box. That could have been the filter. You wanna hold it? It's like, how do we have to have the? How does it go? How do they have those videos that go like? Look what you could have stabbed.
Dude, let's see. I was smart.
All right.
It's like Christmas. Sorry, Alexa.
All right. Let's see what we got first. Accessport. Shit, dog. Wait, is this Michael, I feel like a king. Michael, I feel like a king. Oh my God.
Look at that pet.
So excited.
Oh my God.
Dude, I feel like a king.
Oh my God.
I don't know. It was part of the packaging and
scared.
it looks like a chair.
Oh my God. Oh, hang on.
Yep.
It's 10 plus horsepower.
Zach,
Each.
it came with a free chair.
What else?
I don't know.
Directions? What are directions?
Shit, dog.
Directions.
First things first. We're gonna use it into
Motor.
The CVM knows. CVM is a great motor. CVM goes off.
They screwed my dad.
No, they didn't.
Hello.
It just depends on how your dad.
I've been wanting this forever. Now I can be Mitchell and Michael all at the same time.
My dad's.
Alright, let's get to installing.
Why is this in the screen?
And now we gotta go up and hook it. Unhook it from the bottom.
Coop, you have to go from the.
You have to unplug that.
Well, let's unbolt that. That's a 10.
Shit.
It's just above a 3/8.
Come on, dude.
I'll Venmo you.
I don't care whatever you guys want.
Say that 3 times.
I love you too.
No, but you haven't given me your Venmo. Or I'll Zelle you.
I'll pay you back.
At least you don't need that anymore.
Oh, I got some buds, a little bee. Can we throw this in the trash? No.
No, you could sell that.
That's true. If anyone wants to buy a used
Stock ass.
A&N filter stock intake,
Never been tracked.
never been tracked at all, 0
Times.
hit me up. All right, let's take the skid plate off.
What happened?
But you guys have never seen the exhaust system, so let's do a quickie. You can see my beautiful CNT headers right there. We've got the CNT J pipe. There's actually an emblem right here. You know, sponsored. I wish. CNT J pipe, down pipe. We're missing a bolt. We'll get that fixed. Speedway mufflers made me a mid pipe, and then we go to our CNT axle back, and that is a full exhaust system. Yes, sir.
What was that?
We can't take off cheese.
Hang on.
That's
If
fine.
anyone wants, what would you call this intake?
That's your intake as a whole. It's like your charge pipe almost. No, not charge pipe. I don't know.
Never been tracked. 0 ever. Slide up in the DMs if you want to buy it. It's pretty clean.
Yeah, you're putting a rubber coupling on it.
I'll sell you my unbent one right now for $500.
Zach, what do you want?
I'm mad. Goddamn Cobb.
Better than fuck.
I just wanted this to work.
Put some light on the subject.
I can see your turbo.
Can you?
How's the fins look?
You're
Looks
good.
like almost missing a blade.
Alright, so is it gonna go now?
Yeah.
See the way my legs are set up.
Oh,
So when I did mine, I cut it at an angle and I did 2 pieces and put it in there, like a picture frame.
oh yeah, because it's just bending. Could do that.
Well, no, you put your scoop back in there.
Oh, and it'll hold it. Okay, you're right.
See, this is good.
Yeah, and then it holds it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this a real race car?
This is this.
Mud flaps?
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah,
It is bent. Ah, shit.
This dumbass motherfucker.
I kicked it.
Where's he at?
What happened?
Hey.
Bent. Yeah, bent.
Dude, they
Like in China.
It's for horses.
Oh no, you want to measure so we're to put the filter.
Yeah. He's a nerd.
Eyeball it.
Do you need your glasses?
Looks about right. Later, bro.
Alright, so that line is where that should sit. No, I've actually learned that the hard way. My airfield learning curve went fucking crazy because I just fucked with it.
You say spin that.
We're
Just give me
got
one or
some street
two.
races going down on Bandon tonight.
Banyan.
Just kidding. We don't condone street racing.
You go down to Mexico for that.
Who's video? Hey, I think you lost.
I did lose, that's okay.
What happened? What'd you do?
Clear!
No. Oh, my fingers!
Can't see.
Yeah, fucking vibrating.
Oh
my.
Can you say that again?
I broke it on mine too, it's okay. You won't know.
Silly bros. Alright,
Now we're just twinning even more.
he's a nerd at this shit, so honestly.
I've done this on 3 Subarus now, so.
Oh, look at
Only 3?
Oh, I'm badass. Yeah.
Probably because fucking Steven sat on it.
Steven, did you
too.
sit on this?
Thought.
Instead of Cooper spit on it, it's gonna be Steven sit on it.
Steven sit on it to bend it. Oh, my hands are a little dirty.
Good 90 in this pipe. Steven, come sit on it.
Just put it right here.
Oh, the paper.
Right there?
Yeah.
You're sure?
I'm 100% sure.
Once I do this, there's no going back.
I know there isn't.
Well, we're gonna get a free one once we tell them. I mean,
Oh,
shit. Well, but why'd you go so high?
That's
Dude, you
that's
fucked it
where
up.
it fucking goes. No, I didn't.
Yes, you
Get
did.
the heat gun. Let's just bend that over.
Yeah, you could.
Hey, Zach, what are you most excited about?
I don't know. New.
I'm thinking the
Ben,
horn.
he's-
Now new.
All right, we're gonna fucking lift the fucking fuse. Lift this. bitch
Brandon's
back up.
madder than fuck.
Why?
Because you're.
Brandon's not home. Oh, fuck, I forgot you were
He's
down there.
unplugging it, honk it.
All right, Jesus fucking Christ. The battery's gonna die from the fucking horn.
I'm confused. Can we just start my car up already?
Did it come over there? I just.
Later.
Have a great day. What else we got? We got go. Jack. Stop. Settle down for when they're trying to beef. And then
What
Cooper broke the best one. Wait, put that number up there real quick.
Which one?
Zach's number on the other side.
Oh yeah.
Zach. What are you running?
Sorry.
400 horsepower.
This does have 91 in it, right?
It does have that. No, I run 88.
I don't know. Some
Dude.
lights and everything's off.
If that shit starts rolling, we'll blame it on you.
That's off.
Off.
Here, turn this.
Yeah.
Fuel sense ratio. That drops below 1. That means it's not too right.
For the one time. One more time. Hopped in the new whip. Even got the freshy steering wheel. Okay. Cold start. Woo! Doggy. Hey Mitchell. Hopped in my new Honda. I'm about to whoop you.
I hear it. launch it. Kind of forgot. Intake is done. Looks good, sounds good, runs good. Mitchell, you already beat me though.
Yep.
But it was a lot of fun doing it. I had all the boys here doing that. I don't know why you're filming me. That's so funny. Accessport intake are done. I don't know what's next. I'm thinking E85. Are we thinking E85?
You know what I'm thinking?
Flex fuel.
Follow me on Instagram at EJ1Mitchell, Snapchat at Killer Cookie. Thank you.
Killer cookie. I won't be able to put that down though. I'm editing it. Why? Ryan doesn't edit these. He's not here. Ryan needs to be here. Ryan, you have to be here. You could have experienced this. But you guys probably don't want to hear that. It was a lot of fun putting the intake in the Accessport. Like I said, I think next thing's flex fuel. E85, baby. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Comment down below what you guys want to see like done to the car. Like power mods, could be cosmetics, tires and rims, lights, whatever. Make sure you guys comment down below. Also hit that subscribe button. I'm running out of breath. Turn your ring notification on, the little ba-ding, how we always do it. And leave a like, comment, and follow our Instagram. It's in the description, but it's spoiled_little_bastards. Make sure you guys follow that, and let's just build up our community one step at a time. Hopefully we'll see you guys soon next video. Deuces.